This is Real Voices, and we're about to interview
Jackie McKinday.
And we're interviewing around the subject of safe passage in the Kenilworth Parkside, Paradise, Mayfair community. I know that was a mouthful, but that's what it's about. It's about community stepping up and helping individuals, these young people, toward a successful path. So, Ms. Jackie,
Yes.
question I have for you is Safe Passage working for you?
Oh yes, it's very rewarding to know that you're helping the young people have a safe passage to school with no bickering and fighting, no playing, and they're serious. Just talking to the kids is very insightful, you know. It's very rewarding to give back to my community also, because I know most of the kids.
That's good that you know most of the kids. So knowing the kids, how does that affect your feeling about your community and what you're doing? How does that affect you, and how you think it affects the kids too?
I think it affects the kids very well to know that somebody else is concerned about their welfare, their education, and to know that somebody is invested in them, as a person, that somebody wants to know how their day is and do they have homework. I think just asking them small questions and to watch them light up when they know that you're interested in what's going on in their lives is very helpful to me and to them. It's very rewarding.
So give me an example of what success has looked like for you as it relates to safe passage. Have you got any examples you can share with our viewing and listening audience?
Oh yeah. I have an example. I have one young man who runs to me and gives me a hug every morning, and he shows me his homework to let me see that he did the whole paper and showed me his Halloween costume. He sees me before I see him, and he knows me as Miss Jackie, and he never goes past me without a big hug and a big smile.
Awesome. That's what I'm talking about. Community helping community. That's what it's all about. So on behalf of DCPNI and Safe Passage, we thank you for your commitment to your community.
You're welcome.
Real Voices in every community across America. The voice of the voiceless. Join our action-oriented platform and be part of the solution. For more information, call 1-855-395-1601. That number again is 1-855-395-1601. Visit our website at realvoicesusa.org or look us up on Facebook. We want to hear from you. Real Voices in every community across America.